Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to this video this morning, all about what can be the biggest block to your manifestation. Now, this is a big one because if you can grasp this, then you can start to see movement in your life towards creating the manifestations that you want, okay? And so the biggest blocks to your manifestation is your inner critic. It's the part of you, right, that tells you can't have your manifestation. So tell me in the comments, do you resonate? So I'll give you an example so you can connect with this. So there's something you want to manifest into your life. It could be more money, a relationship, a better circumstance, better relationship, a new job, career, business. It can be many, many things that you want to manifest into your life. By the way, let me know in the comments, what are you wanting to manifest in your life at the moment? Let's put it out there. And then you'll say, I want to manifest $10,000 this month, for example, right? We'll use money as an example. And then you hear these voices in your head like, how's that going to happen? You can't do that. You're going to have to work really, really hard. You've never made that money before. You're not going to do it. What's wrong with you? You can't do that. Blah, 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 blah. And the list goes on of all those voices in the head that tell you can't have your manifestation. Okay? That is your biggest block. It's that voice, because usually it's the voice of what you heard growing up. It's like the inner child, right? And also it can be the ego part of us as well, which I find is very interconnected with the inner child. So it's it's the ego part that's trying to keep you safe, right? Because at the end of the day, the ego likes to stay the same, right? That part of us that's like, you can't have this and you can't have that, you can't do this, you're not good enough for that. That's the part of you that wants to stay safe and wants to stay the same because of a survival mechanism, okay? And so it will tell you all these things of why you can't have it, because it doesn't want you to change, okay? So I'll leave that for another day, because that's a whole video in itself that I'm going to explain some stuff as well around change and fear of the unfamiliar. And so basically, it wants to keep you safe. So it'll tell you all the reasons why you can't have it. And because that's what you're focused on, that's what you're going to create, okay? But it doesn't mean we ignore this part of ourselves. Doesn't mean we ignore it, because it is a part of us. We acknowledge it. We say, we hear what you're saying. We understand you. All these different parts that are trying to keep you safe and surviving, which we thank it for. And then we say, well, we have to then tell ourselves that it's safe to have this manifestation, because a lot of the time it's about not feeling sorry, I can't get my words out. It's about not feeling safe to have your manifestation, because it's different and you may not have had it before. And so that part of you that tells you that you can't have it freaks out. And then it gives you that body sensation, and then it's a part of your energy frequency, and that keeps you stuck. Okay? So like I said, it's not about ignoring it and pushing it aside and suppressing it. The best way to move it through you is to embrace it, hold it like a child, like you would a young child, and acknowledge it, and then explain it's okay, it's safe to move towards what you want. Alrighty, let me know if this resonated with you. Let me know if you have all those voices that come up when you want to manifest the things that you want to manifest. And yeah, I'd love to know. Alrighty, have an amazing day. Bye.